Alright, good morning everybody. This is Randy again, Randy's Auto Repair Tips. 2002 Dodge 3500 van. I just did wires and plugs, and look at that cap and rotor. Holy smokes, that thing's in horrible shape. But the reason that I'm making the video is, if everybody knows, I love anti-seize, which means if I could hold on to the phone and do this at the same time, I'd be great. But how about this? You know these little screws that hold the cap in right here? Guess what? Anti-seize those. You do not want those to break off. Also, being how this is a van, these are the screws that go in the floor to hold the doghouse down. Guess what? Those get rusty and everything else, and they need anti-seize too. So yes, I do anti-seize damn near everything.